Welcome to the Doxy.me Telehealth Review Usage Experience. Links to the service are provided in the description below. Doxy.me is a simple, user-friendly telehealth platform designed specifically for healthcare providers and patients seeking a secure and seamless virtual consultation experience. It's ideal for therapists, doctors, and clinics looking for a HIPAA-compliant, browser-based telemedicine solution. The platform is incredibly easy to use, requiring no downloads or installation for either the provider or the patient. Just a simple link shared via email or text, which opens directly in a browser. One of Doxy.me's standout features is its emphasis on simplicity. The platform offers a clean and intuitive interface with no distractions, allowing providers to focus entirely on their patients. Healthcare professionals can create their own personalized virtual waiting room, which can display branding or custom messages to make the experience more professional and personalized for patients. The video quality is solid, with built-in tools for screen sharing and text-based chat, enabling effective communication during appointments. Doxy.me's security is a major selling point, with end-to-end encryption and strict adherence to HIPAA, GDPR, and high-tech standards. This makes it especially suitable for providers who handle sensitive medical information, such as therapists or specialists managing chronic conditions. The platform offers a free version, which includes unlimited video calls, making it a cost-effective option for solo practitioners or small clinics. Paid plans unlock additional features like HD video quality, analytics, and integrations with practice management systems. Patients also benefit from the ease of use, as no technical expertise is required. All they need is a device with a camera and internet access to join a session. The platform's compatibility with multiple devices, smartphones, tablets, and desktops makes it accessible for virtually anyone. In summary, Doxy.me is an excellent telehealth solution that combines simplicity, security, and affordability. It's perfect for healthcare providers who need a quick-to-deploy, reliable platform for virtual care. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more or get started with Doxy.me today.